I am Professor Carla LaRoche, and I teach the Gender and Family Justice Clinic. As a member of this clinic, you will work on family law cases with clients who have some criminal law history. That can include an arrest, conviction, incarceration, or release from prisons or jails. Our case docket includes child custody and visitation, child support, divorce, and injunctions for protections, mostly in Leon, Gadsden, and McCulloch counties. We have partnerships with Refuge House, our local domestic and sexual violence nonprofit, and Legal Services of North Florida. We also address issues like voting rights restoration for people with felonies and compassionate release due to COVID, all relevant to family ties. An additional part of our clinic is legal empowerment. Students create and conduct outreach and educational pieces. In the past, students have taught family law workshops in prisons and jails in the area, and have created YouTube videos on family law issues. During our class time, we will focus on legal skills like interviewing, depositions, and mediations. We will also delve into the history of mass incarceration and the gendered aspect of detention and reentry, like racial justice, trauma, and family unification. This clinic will push you to ask why so many people do not know that over the past 40 years, the rate of incarceration for women has increased by over 800%. I invite you to participate in this course and join the Gender and Family Justice Clinic. Thank you.